Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about nouns, the two types of nouns that are common and proper nouns. Okay, so first we'll talk about nouns. That is, yesterday we had done nouns, everything around us has a name. Okay, whether it's a person, animal, place, or a thing that has a name. And nouns are also called as naming words. Okay, name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay, that are naming words, nouns. So today these two types of nouns we'll study one by one. So first we'll take proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place, or a thing. If we talk about a particular thing or a person, animal, like look at these examples. Okay, she is Mary. Her name is Mary. Okay, so this is a proper noun because name of a girl, that is person, is Mary. There are so many girls, but that she was Mary. Names of a particular persons you can see Abraham, Lincoln. So there are so many examples. Okay, we have talked about person. Now we'll come to animal. Now see, he is Tommy. Okay, for me it's a dog, but for this duck it's Tommy. Then name of this dog animal is Tommy. So particular name is there, that is Tommy. Okay, so like we have many examples of animals. Particular, you know about Chetak, that's a horse. Now Chandni, that it's a cow. So these are the names of these animals, so that are particular. Now we'll talk about places. You know London, America, India, so many places are there. So it's a particular name of those city. Now name of this city, place is London. So there is not another London, there is only one London. So that is a particular name of a city, that are proper nouns. See, you can see here over here Russia, India, Great Britain. Now we'll talk about thing. Now it's a book for me, but there's a name of this book, that is Bible. So Bible is a particular name of a thing, book. Now name of proper things. This is HP computer. Name of particular persons we have studied. Now name of particular persons, animals, cities, places. Okay, so these are proper nouns, the names which are particular. Okay, did you know that the following are also now proper nouns? Now let's see what are they. The months of the year. The months of the year. How many months are there in a year? So there are 12 months. So January, February, all these, September, these are particular name is there of a month. So that is a proper noun. Okay, here you can see September. S should be capital because it's a proper noun. So various religions of the world like Islam, Hinduism, Sikhism. Okay, so these are the religions. Jainism. So these are the religions that are particular. Now natural objects are also proper noun, like earth, our earth. Okay, there's moon. Okay, if we talk about these things, these are also proper noun, which are one, not so many. Indian Ocean. If we talk about Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, so there are not so many. There is only one, that we are talking about particular thing. Now we'll talk about common noun. That is, a common noun is a name given to any person, place, animal, or a thing. If we talk about person, so there's a girl. So if there's you know that there are so many girls. So if there are two girls standing in front of us, so in front of you or me, so I'll say she's a girl. Like in example you can see the duck is saying that she is a girl, of course, but name has not been mentioned here. So that's why girl is a common noun. Okay, so this is a common noun as okay. Now dog can be any dog, but here see, this is an example of animal, that is dog. Cat, so there are so many cats, dogs, we have not specified anything. Okay, specific name is not there, that's why we have, that's a dog, so dog is a common noun. Here father, there is not only one father in the whole world. Okay, so this is a common noun as father can be anyone without being a specific name. If specification is not there, so that means that's a common noun. Okay, when you go to your school, you find the following things in your classroom. Do you know? These are common nouns. Think about it. Think. So here is it. So you can see blackboard is a common noun. Duster, chalk here. So these are the common nouns. In your class you can see these things. Map, chart, you can see chart, desk, table, chair. So these all are the common nouns. Now common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. Now here you can see you have studied about common nouns that are general name of a person, place, animal or a thing. But all the words in a proper noun begin with a capital letter. This is a rule. You must remember this thing. Like my uncle. Uncle is a common noun. Lives in New Zealand. So New Zealand is a proper noun because we have specified the name of a city or country. So here uncle. What is uncle? Uncle is a common noun because there are so many uncles. Now here there are so many schools. So school is a common noun. But the particular road, that is Mahatma Gandhi Road, it has been specified the name of the road. So Mahatma Gandhi Road is a proper noun here. I hope you have understood this. Now in these examples you can see that John, Mumbai. Okay, so these are the proper nouns, and Pluto also. So here I am going to explain it again. John is a proper noun, and see all these proper noun, the words have been written in capital letters. John, J is capital, Mumbai, M is capital, Pluto, P is capital. So here you can see John is a name of a clown. So John is a proper noun because the particular name has been given of a clown. And you can see that clown is a common noun because there are so many clowns you can see. Now in the next you can see they live in Mumbai. So Mumbai is a proper noun. Okay, because there is only one Mumbai, that's a proper noun, particular name of a city. Then his dog's name is Pluto. So there are so many dogs, but if particular name has been given Pluto, so that's a proper noun. Okay, so here you can see some examples. Special name, keep it in mind for proper noun. Special name for the clown, that is John. So John is a proper noun. Now you will see this is a page of your grammar book. In this you can see various examples have been given, and today we are going to study only these two types of nouns. That is, it is written over here, kinds of nouns, that is proper noun and common noun. So here example has been given of Delhi. Okay, Delhi is a proper noun. Then city is a common noun. So this has been given. I have sent you the PDF. You have to read it. I hope you will read it and you will be able to do the exercise which I am going to give you now. So here is it. This is the first exercise, in which what you have to do is, here are the examples of common and proper noun. You have to match it. Now first is towns and cities. So on the right side it is written the name of the towns and cities. From that you have to match. Okay, in the next what you have to do is that underline the common nouns and encircle the proper nouns in the given sentences. So you can see there are 8 sentences in which common nouns and proper nouns both are there. You have to do this exercise. Now this is the third one. You have to match the common nouns with the proper nouns again. So it's a very small question. City. So city, what is city here? Delhi. You can see country, so you can see Asia. So like this you have to do. Thank you. So I hope you will be able to do these two exercises, this one and the next one, this one. Thank you students, and have a nice day.